Hi guys, I'm not such a big fan of writing, so I'm just going to audio this. This is the thing. I'm not such a serious person. I tried here. I really tried, but ilikatana. So make sure you listen to my sister more than you listen to me. Sawa, whatever she's saying is very informative. It's very important, and it's very useful to you. I promise you. And itawasaidia sana. Just assume I'm not there. In short, yeah. Enjoy. I don't know if you're supposed to enjoy this video, but remember, share it. Share it. Nitajaribu ni edit places zingine, but vinajijua kuna zingine sitaweza kuedit zote, but I'll try. Alafu kitu ingine about me, whenever I try something new, it always backfires. My first trials, all of them backfire. So yeah, let's hope that in future we'll become better. In the meantime, guys, thank you for watching and bye.
Well, thank you really for giving me this opportunity. My name is Kezia Kamau. I'm a mother of 3 kids. I work for Britam Insurance for the last 12 years. Since 2012 to date. So nimekaa kwa career and I love my job so much. Yeah.
That is good. You look like you love your job.
I love my job.
You look nice.
Thank you.
You look hot.
Thank you.
Na confirm camera. Sasa zingine naweza on alafu iko on. Edit hizo but sijali. Usiniache. Sasa Kezia, ningependa kuja tuende straight to the point. Unajua uko very busy na unaenda pale, unaenda job. So mimi nilichukua insurance hii mwaka na nilifeel imenisaidia sana. So nikasema acha tuone kama inaweza saidia wengine juu watu wengi hawajuagi mambo ya insurance sana. Kama nilikuwa naogopa. Nilikuwa naogopaga sana hizo vitu, naona zinahitaji mtu akuwe na pesa mob sana. Hizo ni za watu maybe wenye wako na watoto sana vitu kaa hizo. So nikasema maybe you should let us know, tell people like what does insurance incorporate, what is it all about, how many are they, the purpose, importance yake, what's the significance, why do people really need insurance, why do you think a common mwananchi ama to any person needs to have insurance, like importance yake ni nini sana?
Thank you. That's a very good question. I've been in the industry for 12 years, as I've said before, and I've realized that major problem with most people is ignorance about insurance. People don't understand the vast products that we offer in the insurance industry, and that's this perception that insurance is for people with money. Yes, of course, it's for people with money because most of these products require commitment, and termination of the contract before maturity leads to loss of money, and that's why most people are frustrated.
Wow.
So, understanding a client's need and offering a solution-based product helps to avoid such frustrations for most people. Because we have very many products. We have investment products, we have insurance. First is in 2 categories. We have general insurance and life insurance. Under life insurance, we have a savings, and we offer savings, and we offer education policies. We have whole life, we have funeral. All those education policies have life insurance in it, because insurance is supposed to put you in a position where you are before a loss or a calamity happens. We also have the general insurance. So we have 3 categories. We have investment products, general insurance, and life insurance. Under general insurance, that's where we have car insurance and motor insurance, which includes shipments, buildings, and all that. Most people who understand, and if you Google right now, information is on the websites of most insurance companies. Also, we have now what you call the investments, the unit linked, the money market funds, and fixed deposits accounts. They have good interest. So from that, if a client or if you meet a financial advisor, they are able to understand where you are. If you are on a permanent basis, we give you monthly, long-term insurance, and if you don't need or you have one, we offer other solutions for your needs. That said, You asked about why is it important. It's important because one, it gives you that disciplined way of saving. Two, it gives you insurance, as I said. In case of a loss, we are able to put it back to where you are before that loss. That is the main purpose of insurance. It's not an investment. People have a misconception about insurance. Insurance is not an investment product. Investments are those lands, and I've told you we have investment products. Insurance is not an investment product. Most clients, most people, families have benefited because of insurance, because in case of those claims, as I'm saying, we are able to compensate and put your family back in where it was. I feel bad when I see people saying that they don't make sense, but it is unfortunate when you say that and there's a family that is benefiting from the same product. So unless you have been discipline issues, that's why you feel insurance does not make sense.
Wow. Oh, that's a lot of information.
It is. I can't
Very
even finish it
information.
within the short period of time that we have. It requires a very serious sitting. It is a job. It's a career we also learn on the job. I can't say that I have already exhausted my knowledge on the same insurance. I am still learning. There are things I am not well versed with. That's when a client asks, I tell them, let me get back to you. Especially the general insurance is very vast. So that information is quite wide. It's information of insurance, but that's just a basic thing that I've said. I want to emphasize on the discipline aspect of paying your premiums either annually or monthly basis. That way you not be frustrated. And also a good customer service from the agent or the financial company that you're going to is very key. You will not be frustrated in case of any key thing you need to ask, you're able to be attended to. That's very important because I found many people are frustrated. They joined and then they were left hanging. When they have a question, nobody's there to attend to them. So you need someone who is able to pick your calls anytime, even in case of a claim, in case of a query, you are able to be sorted and answered. That is something I have realized is very important.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Kezia. I feel like there's a lot to process there, especially for me, because I've learned a lot. Let's say I didn't know much about what you've said, what you've talked about. I feel like I've really gotten a lot has hit me that I didn't know.
And you're not the only one. There are so many people who are ignorant about insurance.
Sure.
So they need to understand what insurance is all about. We have so many products. Just get yourself a very good financial advisor or consultant, or visit any of our branches. Our staff are very well informed about our products, and I believe it is a basic need. This lack of insurance is a problem because you find people now when first of all, number one, a health insurance is a must-have.
Okay.
And they are offered at a very reasonable rate, and they are paid annually.
Okay.
This WhatsApp group and all that you find we are creating is people because they are feeling that it is not a need. I am young, I am steward. It is unfortunate. That is, I think, the Bible says people perish because of lack of knowledge, and that is it, just lack of knowledge. People perish because of it. So you can get in touch with me. I can recommend if you are interested. I said I work for Britam. We have all those products. Britam is like, I usually say it's a supermarket of insurance. You have all the products you need from insurance. You don't lack anything. And I guarantee you good customer service.
Thank you. Wow. So let me ask this: why Britam? Okay. Why should someone prefer Britam to the other insurance companies?
Britam, when you're investing in this insurance company, you need to look at the history of a company. How long has this company been in the industry? Well, we pride ourselves in the fact that we are the best insurance company of the year. For many years, we have won that award. We are the best. We have been in the game for many years. This company started around 1963 there. So you can imagine that's a very long time. So that's a stable company. Liquidity is also important. Don't invest in a company that is you're not sure about its future. Look at also the future. Besides the person who look at the future, the history and the future. Because you also need to be sure that your money you'll be able to get it in the near future. It's not just you're gambling your money. We are working, it's hard. It's a hard economic time to invest in a company, and then later on, few years from now, you're told that the company went down. It's very frustrating. Also, our products have been tested and tried, and we have very good products. Not that the other companies don't have good products, but I speak for where I work. I am a loyal agent, so yeah, Britain is a good company. It's a good brand.
Okay.
And I'm sorry for the people that have had a very bad experiences with the company. I know that people, it's not 100%. There are people who are very frustrated, and I'm very sorry for all those who are frustrated about one or two issues that they encountered. It's maybe lack of good information that was not disclosed.
Okay.
It's unfortunate, and I'm so sorry for that.
So what would you advise such people?
Heal. Just heal and move on. I mean, unakoseanga na girlfriend na unatafuta mwingine na anakuwa bibi. So una heal na una move on.
Amen.
Heal and move on.
True.
Yes, unakasirishanga na girlfriends ama boyfriend and you find another one and you move on.
And you heal and move on.
Yes, it is. You lose and it's again. It's a life.
It's like
Things happen.
Yeah.
Just heal. Just forgive and move on. If not Britain, just try another company. That is what if Britain is like an ex, find a suitable company. But what I insist is insurance is important.
It is.
It is very important.
So I didn't know that people get disappointed.
There are so many frustrated people.
So is it because they didn't have the knowledge before they go for the products? They didn't research, or they found a financial advisor who is not well versed with the product? What happens?
It's a number of factors. It is, it is my word again. It is usually a client's word against me as the agent.
Yeah.
Some clients say they allege that they were not given full information. Now that is between the client and the agent.
Okay.
How sure am I it's not you who chose not to pay the premiums, and then you start saying the agent do not disclose full information. Yeah, there are those who truly were not given full information. So it is a variety of issues here and there. And under honesty, I am not sure what really happens, but from the beginning, in the past, what I know in the past, information was not well disclosed.
Okay.
There was a lot of fraud from the agent side. That is a complaint I've encountered over the years, where people used to pay premiums and they are not getting a cover. So it happens that the agent takes the client's money, eats it and runs away. So there are those ones from the past, but currently I am not sure. Because also we have technology, it is important to research on a product. If you are told about a certain product, research on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. Hope guys you've heard. To avoid such instances, just do your research. I think you should also have a good lawyer or something.
Not really, because you have a contract, and also you offer what you call a policy document. Now that is a contract between you and the insurance company. So in that contract, go through your contract. It has a lot of information that maybe we should go through it. You have a grace period of 30 days, under which if you feel it's not what you are told, you can be able to cancel the company refunds you 100%.
Wow.
We have bodies that govern insurance companies. We have the IRM, we have the ACI. Those ones are able to help with customers who are feeling very frustrated and are feeling that the insurance company they're in is not offering the best solutions. I've met quite a number of people who complain and I don't know what to do. I'm struggling to get my claim. I just advise them go to IRA. IRA is able to sort you out. It's at the pre-center Upper Hill. They are able to sort you out.
Okay, well, information is power.
Information is power.
Yeah.
Indeed it is. Yeah. With this information, you avoid so many problems, all these frustrations. And I said, yeah, it is not a perfect market. It's not a perfect industry. We are improving in the industry. I've seen progress in terms of technology and ways in which a client is able to know if they got the right product that they were told. And now I appreciate that the industry is really growing. The industry is growing, moving in the right direction. We are in our, we are not the developed countries, but where we are, so far so good. I really appreciate what the insurance company are doing. Digitalization of the insurance products is very key.
Okay.
Yeah, right now the world is a digital world and we are moving in the right direction, let me just say that.
Okay.
So information now is being offered almost to your doorsteps. It's just that I want to insist on people being open and being ready to receptive of insurance. I insist insurance is important. I really insist on that.
So what kind of challenges do you get in the field with clients? Like to convince someone to get the insurance?
Yes.
How do you manage them? But that, and how do you get clients or individuals out of their fears of getting this insurance, or you just explain the products to them?
It is a tough process, because people have a very rigid mind. People are very stern about insurance. So we try as much as possible. Converting a person who has no knowledge to buy insurance is usually a very heavy task. But once they appreciate and you give them good customer service, I find these clients very happy, and they even want to buy more products. Especially if you offer good customer service. And my clients are very happy clients. They buy one and they come buy others, and they even recommend to me about their family members and their friends. So me, the people that I have been able to recruit and bring in the company or to sell to are very happy people, and they are very proud of me. They have seen me grow from nothing to where I am. Nothing, from struggling levels to where
Grace
I
to
am.
grass.
Yes.
No,
from
grass to grace.
Yes. So there are many challenges. Also, you encounter those people I'm telling you who end up being poisoned by friends or colleagues or the society about, oh, insurance is not good, you're going to lose your money, and they now terminate a contract and they lose money. And those are the same people who now start saying insurance companies are bad because now I was not able to get money. Yet I tell you, you cannot terminate a contract before a certain period of time. And even if it is not to maturity, if you terminate within that period of time, there's a what you call a future period where now you can be able to run this policy, and after a certain time you can either surrender or do what we call paid up, where we spread all the premiums you've paid up to the maturity of the period of time. That is the best option for clients who feel it is a waste of money, but it is not a waste of money, because you see how many people are looking like for education policies. For example, you will find so many people, and this is your child, you tell you to start saving this premium as little as early as now, you refuse. In the near future, you are there with papers going to your colleagues, taking loan, education loan, school fees loan, and yet you could have started to save money to prevent such problems.
Can you talk more about the education plan? The basic, at least. How old should the child be? When should the parent start? Is it saving or check? When should they? When is the most advisable time to take the insurance?
As long as you feel comfortable and you feel like I want to start saving for my child even when before they're born, you can start saving.
Before they're born.
For Britain, we don't require a birth certificate for most of our products, so we can give you an education plan. You start saving as early as when you want. As long as you have the ability to continue paying that premiums, you can take, yes. Our longest period of time is 25 years plan, so you can start saving as early as you want. If you are thinking that maybe in the future you get a child or not, because at the end of the day, this money is not paid to any school, it's paid to your account. Yeah, so it is money you can use for another project. The baby God does not bless you with one, and I pray that you are blessed with. But things happen, so in an eventuality where there is no baby, the money is sent to your account, so you can be able to do something else. We have many products. We have good savings plans, short-term and long-term plans. Just get in touch. I'll give my number, you put my number here, so that in case anybody has more questions, they can be able to get through me, and I can be able to recommend them a good product for them.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've talked about your clients who help you from at least to reach this point in your life. What can you say to them?
I really appreciate them, and I always pray for them that God opens the level their mountains. I thank them so much. Those who have believed in me, and I believe that I offered solutions to them, and that my clients are happy, and I love them to bits. I love my clients so much, and I appreciate them.
You are in the top insurers. Yeah, this year. Congratulations.
It was last
year. Oh,
yes.
Thank you. Time flies.
Yeah, it was.
Tell us about
it is
that.
awarded in the next year, but it is a position for sales than the previous year. So that was 2023. There's in our industry we have an event we call the AKI event. It is to recognize the top agents who have met certain parameters. It's across many products. I've said general insurance, medical, and life insurance. So we qualified under the category of life insurance. And I thank God for that milestone. It was one year that I saw the hand of God. Let me just say, I saw the hand of God. I came from maternity leave and I was able to do that. And I thank God. It was not.
So happy for you.
Thank you so
Proud
much.
of you.
Thank you.
Ding dong.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So, how old is your relationship with your most loyal client?
The same as the one I've been in the industry.
12 years.
14. 2012 to now.
Ah.
I think
Their
their
clients.
clients I'm servicing from then to now.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, that's all.
Hey, relationship strong.
Yes, and we talk, and we really talk, and I've seen them grow in their careers, and I am
Nice.
happy, and we have grown together.
Yes.
Yes, we start with premiums as low as 1,500. We grow clients paying up to 20,000, 50,000. So it is a journey. It's a journey. We just don't sell to a person. Once we sell a product, you can be sure we are in it for life until maturity, and maybe even your kids will buy from me.
Amen.
Yeah.
Amen. That is good. That's
Loyalty is important.
Yeah.
By the way, yeah.
I'm impressed.
Mm.
Okay. So I don't think we can go into details about the insurance, but I think maybe there's one that you think you can talk about.
I don't like preempting mostly because I believe people have different needs.
True.
Different needs. So I cannot emphasize on a certain product, but what I would say is just get yourself something. At least start with something.
Okay.
Get in touch with an agent. If someone has been calling you regarding insurance, just give them an ear. Listen, information, even listening. Si tunaendanga kuangalia nguo na tununui, it's the same. Just listen. Don't find us as a bother. By the way, people find us like we are a nuisance, we are a bother. It's unfortunate. By the way, this is our career. Just the way you respect your job as a lawyer or as a what. Ours is also a career. And it has taken care of our kids. It has done so much for us.
Yeah.
Don't just hate us because of this perception. Perception is wrong. Get to know us. We are good people. We are humans. We work hard, by the way. We really work hard.
I know. I've seen that.
I wish people
I'm a
would know.
witness.
I wish people would know the efforts that we put. It is just a job like any other. Na kila mtu hapa na job yake, because the way we have cleaners, we have all that, and you don't hate them, don't hate people because of the career. If you don't want to, just pass in a courteous manner. I insist on that, in a courteous manner.
Yeah.
This is dignity. It's a dignifying job.
Yeah.
Never look down on someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, because you feel that your career is more important than mine. No, nobody's job is more important than the other one. So long as it is able to provide for someone, respect that person's career.
Sure.
Yeah.
So guys, you've heard it from an insurance agent. Be kind to everyone. It doesn't matter their occupation, but especially just give a listening ear. Just try it. Usipuuze tu kitu just because you don't know about it, ama you have no knowledge about it. You acquire knowledge by listening. Yeah. So try to learn new things. You'll find out that these things are helpful to you.
There's a saying I heard that I know something about everything. Just know something about everything. It is very, by the way, it is very unfortunate how people perceive insurance people. I know sometimes you can be a pain in your back, but it is the nature of our job to pester you.
Yeah.
That is the nature of our job. And those who appreciate, we thank you so much for giving us an ear. We thank you. God bless you so much.
Yeah, our pastor told us about having this knowledge, financial knowledge, and also having financial advisors. So that's why I felt like this would be a good thing for people out there, because I think because of the traditional mindset, I think we were not introduced to such things growing up. We didn't see such things growing up, but now they are crucial. And I believe everybody needs to know what's going on and how to handle such situations, especially with their finances. Cynthia, because like me, I said that I took my first insurance investment plan this year, and I think it was I know it has been so helpful, and hata kama ni kadogo, I've seen like changes, Cynthia.
It is that first step, and as I've said, those people who are bought into insurance idea, they really appreciate, and you find they are the greatest ambassadors. It just takes one person to understand, oh, by the way, these things work, and they will be the brand ambassador. They sell referrals, they give people, they recommend a lot of people.
Yeah.
And those are the same people who are very maybe negative, they didn't find it like it is necessary. But once they buy it once and see it work for them, they really bring people. So I think people are just that, as you have said, it's an attitude, and because we were not brought up into this, into the insurance and everything, culture in our parents, it is a
bit
struggle.
skeptical.
But if people can buy into it and own it, it is a very good thing. And it is a culture that needs to be instilled even to our kids. They need to start learning early how to start saving. It's very helpful, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've said there's general and there is life.
There's life, there's an asset, there's investment products, life and general insurance.
Oh, three. Okay, so I think we will leave it at that. But if there's anything you'd like to add before we close,
just get in touch with me. This, as I've said, is a very broad thing. Kila mtu akona shida zake. Ni kujua tu mtu ni nini anahitaji na unampatia yake. Sitaki kuprescribe. Ni kama uende kwa daktari na daktari already ashajua shida yako ni gani. Ni uende pale explain shida zako, daktari ana diagnose, wewe yako ni hii, ana prescribe dawa. So it is the same. There's really many products, and each product has its clients. On a clientele based work.
So guys, if you have any questions, let us know. Ask comment section. I'll give you her number. My Instagram account, social media accounts.
Give them my number.
Yeah.
And I appreciate those who call.
Okay, there's something else. There's some people who try becoming insurance agent, and I find it very challenging.
It is a challenging career. So I told you, rejection is not interesting. You have to have very serious shock absorbers for rejection. It's not easy. You can even lawyer, it lowers your self-esteem. But once you make it, I was tokitena. To insurance ni mawe, I was tuliami na inoko. Yeah, to rejection. Rejection is our daily bread.
Because I've seen you starting until now, and I saw you suffering.
Our confidence is on another level, my friend.
Yeah.
You have been rejected by the who's, you can imagine. So rejection is part of our job. It's not even a big deal.
But it happens.
But it happens. I can assure you it happens. Once and you're ngumu, but the minute you pick, so that you unaleta mpya.
What next?
What next?
What do you have up your sleeves? Show me. Character development. So thank you, Kezia, for this chance, for your time, for availing yourself. God bless you so much. I wanted people to know, and I feel like what you guys are offering is really nice and helpful and important and significant to every person, every individual. Like, it covers everyone, and I thought that it's nice for people out there to have this information. So nashukuru sana that you just avail yourself. Najua ni sister relationship, lakini ungefanya uko na clients, uko na manini, lakini umepeana time yako hapa.
So thank you for giving me this opportunity, at least to offer the little information I can. Regards to insurance, and for more information, give me a call.
Sawa Kezia.
Thank you, really.
Bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember, share this video. Inazaambia mshare. Kuna video na msemaga si lazima mshare. Inaweza share. Unaweza like mwende mkaambiane information au ujui itasaidia nani. Yeah. Savini na mko na financial advisors. Bye guys. See you next time. Next video.
Sawa.